In this practical pointer, I will show you how to set up testing package groups to help you save time and organize your workflow in LASTRADA. I'll give you an overview of what testing package groups do and show you how to make one. I'll start by adding a sample. As an internal or private lab, go to Tests and Modules, Sample Management to register a new sample. Hit the New icon and enter your sample information. Once you've entered your sample information, hit the Save icon to save your sample. Now I will create a testing program. Click on the Sample Logbook icon to open Sample Selection for the testing program. I'll choose the sample I just created by clicking the sample and the green checkbox to open it. Next, click into the Testing Package section to select testing packages for your group. As you can see here, there's a long list of tests. Using a testing package group filter, my list is narrowed down to only the tests I use in my work. This allows me to avoid scrolling through a huge list and create a small subset I can quickly work from. To create a testing package group, I'll click these three dots and the New icon to create a new group. I'll name this one Aggregate Group Package. Now I'll select packages for my group. Save your new testing package group. Now select your new group from the drop-down menu. Hit the down arrow and the green checkbox to save. LASTRADA will automatically populate the tests required for your selected contract. Thank you for watching. Watch our next recommended video in the Practical Pointer series here, or watch the full playlist. For more resources like this, visit our resources page at lastradapartners.com/resources and subscribe to our YouTube channel.